Hey guys, hopefully you've already logged into Khan Academy at some point in your career, but if you haven't, that's totally fine. Here's what you should do. So if those directions that were on the little slip of paper that I gave you seemed confusing, then this is hopefully going to help a little bit. So you were supposed to go to khanacademy.org and click on login. Now obviously I've already been on, so it's going to say good to see you. You shouldn't see that. But the one thing that I'm going to tell you that kids always think they're supposed to do is enter their username and password down here. Don't do that. All you need to do is click continue with Google. And then you guys see that my Google accounts actually pop up here. Yours should too, because you guys are already logged into Google on your iPad. So go ahead and choose your students.olatheschools.com login, and then it should just go ahead and log you in. Now it's going to look a little different than mine because you guys are going to don't have a teacher account. I have a teacher account. So then what you guys are going to do is when you get into Khan Academy, there should be a pretest that pops up asking you to take it. And so then you guys are going to go ahead and take that pretest, but that should be the first thing that pops up. But if you have any other questions, my plan time is at 10 a.m. So feel free to have your parents call me during that time, or if like it's 11:30 or something like that and you just got logged into math and you're finding out that you don't know how, go ahead and have them email me, and then I'll try and help you guys as soon as I can.